Hey guys, sorry about the lack of videos recently. I've been totally stressed these past few weeks. One of our top guys, mainly the diagnostician guy, he's been off sick, so that leaves the workload on me, myself, and And you know, I get kind of stressful. I get kind of stressed out. Sorry, I'm not awake yet. It's early in the morning, taking the time to make this video. But anyways, I just thought I'd let you guys know that if you're ever in the same boat, and especially when work piles up and you don't know what to do, I found this really cool YouTube channel of this lady. She does here, I'll just show you and I'll explain 1 second. So her name is Sherrill CuCu, and she's actually a psychic. I've had a couple of cars, actually there was more than a couple, this past week or so, that I could have used help diagnosing, and I ended up contacting her. And as soon as she started the conversation in Google Hangouts, she right away listed off the cars that I had problems with and the fixes that need to be done. I was totally amazed. I used to be a skeptic about psychics, but this is the real deal. So I actually even just beforehand, because I initially thought it was good for a laugh, just to record something like this, to the fraudability of it all, but you'll see. I mean, this is up and up, and I can't speak any more highly of Sherrill here. Okay, let's see if she answers the phone, the Google Hangout call. Hope I got the address right.
Hello, Thomas. I've been expecting your call.
Hi, Sherrill. I've got something that wanted to...
I know why you've contacted me, Thomas. I'm aware, as I am of most things, that you have a sick coworker, and you're needing a little help diagnosing and nursing all those cars back to health that are piling up in your little shop.
Yes, you're right. I'm having a hard time keeping up.
Do not fret, my dear Thomas. Sherrill is here, and I will take the guessing out of the diagnosing for you.
That would help me a lot, Sherrill.
The Jetta that's overheating needs a water pump. Check for a lack of heat inside the car, and you'll know I'm right.
That was actually the first car that I was going to ask you about.
I know it was. The Jetta has been very upset without its water pump. You know, it helps me feel better when I'm upset. Little bit of Pepto.
Pepto is good stuff. I use it a lot as well.
Oh, I'm getting something else. The Golf. The Golf with the alarm that won't stop going off. Replace the latch, okay? For the trunk.
I don't have a Golf in the shop with an alarm issue.
Oh, you will, my dear. You will. It will show up tomorrow around 1 p.m.
I better write this down.
The Passat with the hard starting after fueling. Okay. It needs an evap purge valve, which is the best kind of valve, if you ask me. You're welcome.
I was going to check that first thing in the morning.
Oh, and there's the Westphalia with the black smoke out of the tailpipe. The O2 sensor wiring is shortened to the ground. That car might be possessed.
Are you sure? I was going to check fuel pressure.
Thomas, are you really questioning Sherrill?
No, not at all. I'm still amazed at how accurate your information is.
Sherrill knows all and sees all. I even know about the second thoughts you're having about Nicole, mainly because you think you're not good enough for Steve. Now, Thomas, that's no way to be thinking about yourself.
The fact that you know about Nicole and Steve, that in itself, I'm a believer now.
We're gonna have to work on that self-esteem, young man.
I could use a bit of help with that.
I also know that you're wearing blue boxers with little pink hearts on them right now, and that on Wednesdays you go commando. By the way, I think it's okay to go commando all week long.
You're amazing, Sherrill. Can I ask you for tech support in the future?
I know you will, Thomas. I know you will.
Thank you very much. It was nice talking to you.
Toodles!